Hey guys, so I'm just coming to you. This is real life in my kitchen. So last week we were on a vacation and we got back, and of course there's not a lot of stuff in the fridge, right? Because we've still been going and going and going. So I feel like today is actually the first day of summer vacation in a way. But I wanted to just share with you some really quick ideas of what I am doing tonight, because maybe that'll help you when you are in one of those ruts, or you're just like, what can I make that's in the house right now? So happen to have a pound of hamburger in my freezer, so I browned that up and used my new pan for that, which honestly, it's so non-stick that it basically flopped right out of the pan a little bit because I was a little joyous with my chopping, but I did use my mix and chop. I just thawed it all right here, and I just put some taco seasoning on it and some water. So I'm making up a taco bar, and I think that everybody probably has these ingredients in their refrigerator right now, or in their kitchen pantry, refrigerator, freezer right now. The other thing that I added or did is some rice in my rice cooker plus. So I happen to have some leftover basmati rice and some leftover jasmine rice. I've never done it before, but I combined them and I cooked them up. And we've got some rice in here. It's been sitting for a little bit, but cooks this up perfectly. And I just kind of estimated on the water because they're two different kinds of rice. But this can be in our taco salad. I might add some cilantro to this and some lime juice, and then I would have some cilantro lime rice to go with that. In fact, I will just put it right in the spot here. I'm using my cool and serve because I don't want a million different things to have all of these different toppings. So we're doing that. I had some rice, or my lettuce from our garden, and chopped this up with the salad chopper. Super quick and easy. And then I washed it. So I chopped it, then I washed it. That's kind of the secret to clean lettuce, especially when you're getting it out of your garden. You know, sometimes you can get little bugs in there. Of course, you don't want those, right? Although it could be a little extra protein. But, so we have our fresh lettuce. I'm gonna make a salad. Other people might be interested in doing tacos. I'm just combining a whole bunch of things that I already had. And we also had a can of tomatoes with some green chilies, so we've got that. I had some refried beans there that you can see. And then all that's really left, and I've got some chips over there, I'm just putting those out. Just using my cool and serve to hold everything. The last thing I'll cut up is my pepper. Can't even think right now. But to do that, and actually I did some onion and I put it in with the meat. And the way, you know, if you ever have problems with your eyes when you're cutting onions, I highly recommend using the manual food processor. So I just put my onions in, and you literally don't have to do much to them. I mean, I just cut it in half, took off the roots, and then you just chop it up, which I think I just put a root in there. Okay. And it finely pulses it manually. You don't have to get out the big, clunky electric food processor. I get mine out, you know, a couple times a year, which is great for those times, but it takes up a lot of space and I really don't use it that much. So we've got our onion. So this I'm just gonna save for the rest of the week. Might be for eggs or something else. But I wanna show you how to cut these peppers up. We went camping this past weekend, and it was a lot of fun, and I like to do a lot of pre-prep work when I camp because then I don't have to spend time cutting and chopping. Not that I'm opposed to that, but I just like to do it in a little bit more cleanly place, you know, in your own kitchen versus on an outside table, right? So I pre-prepped all of my peppers that we had for our burritos that we made one morning. And to do that, you saw how I cut the pepper, and now you can slice it. So that'd be great for fajitas or just dipping in husk, but I'm just gonna turn it, this quick slice. And I just chop it right back down, and now I have these perfect dices, which this is much faster and much more, what's the word? Much more similar in size than if I were to actually chop it up myself, line by line, slice by slice. So I just wanted to share that with you because I thought, you know what, I bet there's other people coming back from vacation or camping or whatever you did fun. Or maybe you're just like, you know what, I haven't been to the grocery store in a while, and sometimes that happens to me too, where I kind of avoid going for a while and you just want to make stuff that you have already at home. So just thought I'd share with you how I use the tools every single day of the week when I'm home, and even when we travel. We also took them with us when we went on vacation. I took the rock crock, I took the breakfast sandwich maker, I took the manual food processor, all my knives and things like that, so I could definitely use the things that were going to make things happen fast. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more dinner ideas, more breakfast and lunch ideas to help you in your kitchen. Bye-bye.